What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here, and I got my buddy Patty Rick here. We are doing a Superfast setup. So it gets very confusing of how to connect Sena units. So we've got every Sena unit here. We're gonna do a series of Superfast setups. Patty Rick is going to take us through how to connect multiple types of Senas. In today's episode, we are going to be doing the Sena 20s to the 10s.
Correct, yes sir.
Okay, from this point, Patty Rick, how fast can you set this setup?
Once both units are powered on, takes about 10 seconds.
Okay, let's take it through the whole process. Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the 10S here. So easy way to kind of learn yourself about this. This is your jog dial, this is your center button, and that is your phone button here on the rear. To turn the device on, you're simply gonna press and hold the center and the phone button at the same time. You'll see that little blue light come on, and it's gonna flash a couple times, it's gonna flash red a couple times. That indicates your battery level. So once you've got that guy on, we'll do the same thing on the other unit. Thankfully, the 10 and the 20 are almost identical, just a hardware change on the inside. So you've got your jog dial here, your center button, and a phone button on the rear, same as the 10. We'll press and hold the center and the phone button. It will then turn on. You'll see that blue light and then red flash a couple of times. Once these guys are powered on and connected, you guys are next to each other. What you're going to want to do is simply press and hold the middle center button on both of these units for about 5 seconds. It's going to put it in what they call intercom pairing mode. Once you enter that into intercom pairing mode, if you've got the helmet on, you'll actually hear it say that. Once both those units are set up, the leader of the group, in this case we'll use our 20, will then tap the button once, and it will make them the leader. So let's go ahead and do that.
So let's get them on the helmet so we can hear that sweet Sena noise. So now center button, 5 seconds.
We're gonna press and hold for 5 seconds on that center button.
Yay! All right, so I'm pairing on the 20S.
Yep. So now that that one's already pairing, we'll show you guys that you can actually tap into it after the fact.
They've both said intercom pairing.
We are both now in intercom pairing, so just single tap the center button on the 20. And we'll watch those red lights. And they are now connected.
Okay, so that's how you connect a 20S to either another 20S or a 10S.
Correct, yeah. The 10 and 20s are virtually identical. There's a couple hardware changes and very few software changes, but the usability, how everything actually works, is exactly the same.
Okay, and that's it for this video. These are super quick, no bull crap, how to do it. Ideally, you're out trying to ride and you just want to connect some stuff up.
You're stuck at a gas station and no one can figure this out. That's what we're here for.
Exactly.
In our super quick setups.
We're gonna go make a couple more videos of how to connect all these things, and we'll see you guys on one of those. Thank you, Patrick, for your super quick setup, and now we will both randomly walk out of okay, goodbye. How did...
I went that way.
Anyways, guys, that's it for Superfast setups. That's Patty Rick. I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you guys want links for the stuff we talked about and connected in today's video, there will be links down below. If this video helped you guys out, like at a gas station or something like that, and you're just trying to connect all your stuff up, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys like motorcycle content, you probably should subscribe. Okay, we're going to leave out the way we came, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. You're that way. Okay, bye.